Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Born Pretty Stop Us and MoYou London Kaleidoscopic 09. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And for my base color I'm using Brave's Diva Shutout, a beautiful white cream. And here we go. This one's really easy to work with. I was on a search for a very long time. I have bought tons and tons of white polishes, and I do believe this one is probably going to be my forever go-to white. It's a beautiful cream. It's not running all over the place, and it's pretty opaque. Look at that one coat beautifulness. I do love it. I'm just trying to straighten up my edge there and just run across the whole nail. I was being very careful not to get it on my cuticles. As I always do with white and black. I still managed to get some on there. I am going to cap my free edge here. Hi Woody, how you doing? Come in and take care of that little spot for me. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. One coat white with some top coat here. We're going to get this to dry down so we can play with this Born Pretty stamping polish today. So after this is completely dry, we're going to come in and get to playing. So I'm going to apply my Burt's Bees Cuticle Balm or Cuticle Cream. I'm just using an old elf brush to just rub it around all over the place. And there we go. We're ready to rock. Well, almost. Look at me. I can't leave it alone. This is the Kaleidoscopic Collection 09 from MoYou London. And here is Born Pretty's Stop Us. I'll be using my AliExpress stamper and my BT scraper. And here we go. We're going to go in. I'm going to use 2 images off this plate today. Do my scrape and my pickup. And I'm out of frame. There we go. Get it together, girl. Okay. So this isn't as opaque as I had hoped it would be. I was expecting it to be that crazy rich color that was in the bottle. But over white, it does just fine. I don't think this one would do very good over black. I am going to do another manicure here in the very near future. I've already done it. I just have to edit it, where I use this as a base color. So stay tuned for that. This one, in my opinion, is not just the greatest stamping, but it's doing pretty good over the white. So here we go with another one of the kind of up by the cuticles, except this one on that little pinky nail kind of runs towards the end. So there we go. And now I'm going to use this other image on my ring fingernail. This is the same image I also put on my thumb. Just give it a little bit of a, difference. A little different here. So there we go. I will be using the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat today. And you can see it shows up really good over the white. I just don't know how well it would do over, dark colors. And now that that is dry, I'm going to top it off with some of the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. And we're going to call this Mani done. Ka-ching! Very pretty. Love some. It reminds me of sherbet or something, like a creamsicle with that white and orange. So there's my Mani. I would love to hear what you think about it. There's my swatch photo. Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.